So yesterday we discussed about permutation. There are three cases. What are three cases when permutation with the distinct object or distinct object is NPR is equal to what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. Here repetition of digit is not allowed. If repetition of digit is allowed, NPR is equal to what? N raised to R. Now, in some cases, like there are some items are alike or not distinct, then we can say NPR is equal to what? N factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial into P3 factorial into etc. Pk factorial, where P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus etc. Pk is equal to what? N. This is about a NPR. So NPR, there are three formulas. NPR, when repetition of digit is not allowed and all the items are distinct, then NPR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial. If the repetition of digit is allowed, then NPR is equal to what? N raised to R. If repetition of digit is not allowed and some things are alike or same, then NPR is equal to what? N factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial into P3 etc. Okay. Now, we'll solve one or two problems about that. Find the number of arrangement of letters of the word daughter. The number of arrangement of letters of the word daughter. Now, but also that find also the number of ways in which all the words start with D. All the words ends with R. All the words start with D, end with R. D and R occupy end places. Next, all the vowels occur together. All the vowels occur together. All the vowels do not occur together. So, first of all, you have to find out number of arrangements of letters with a daughter. Daughter, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. 8. All letters are distinct. That means all are different. So 8 letters are there. So 8 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 8 ways. So total number of arrangement is equal to total number of arrangement is equal to 8 letters are there. You have to arrange here and there. Then sometimes meaningful sentence will be meaningful word will be sometimes meaningless will be there. So it is what 8 factorial by 8 minus 8 factorial. 8 factorial is what 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 0 factorial. So what is answer? 8 factorial is what is 8 factorial? 8 into 7, 56. 56 into 6 into 5, 30. 56 into 30 into 24. 40,320. 40,320. This is the first case. Now, the second case is what all the weights start with D. So, the weights start with D. Then, how many letters are remaining? Then there are 7 letters remaining. And it can be arranged in 7p7 ways. 7p7 is what? 7 factorial by 7 minus 7 factorial. What is 7 factorial? 7 factorial is equal to 5,040. Now, if the weight start to if the weights end with D, the weight then also same case, previous case. Then how many already? If the end with R, sorry, end with R, then there are remaining 7 letters, and 7 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 7p7. 7p7 is what? 5,040. Now, next is that if the weights start with D and ends with R. So D and R are already fixed there. So what is the remaining letters? Then remaining 6 letters can be arranged in 6p6 ways. Is equal to 6p6 is what? 6p6 is 720. Answer is 720. Now, next is what? D and R occupy empty places. D and R occupy empty places means, you see, D is there, R is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or R 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this D and R occupy empty place means there are how many ways? 2 ways. It can be done in 2 ways. It can be done in 2 ways. And the remaining letters is how many are there? 6. Remaining 6 letters can be arranged in 6p6 ways. So total number of ways by fundamental principle of counting, total ways is equal to 6p6 is already we find out what is that 720. 720 into 2. 1,440. The end or occupy into places. What is next one? Next one. So the IR into with R vowel and the end or occupy. All the vowels occur together. So what are the vowels here? In daughter, A is there, U is there, E is there. So A, U, E. So how many are there? A, U, E. 3. The 3 letters we can consider as a single letter. So AUE you can write as a single letter, and the remaining, what is it? D, G, H, T, R. This is another letter. So AUE can be arranged in this. There are 3 vowels. So 3 vowels can be vowels AUE can be arranged in 3P3 ways. You see AUE, and so AUE is a single letter. You consider a single letter AUE. Then D, G, H, T, R. So AUE is that remaining 5 letter. 5 plus 1, 6. This is 5. This is 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 3P3 means what is it? 3 factorial by 3 minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. Now 6 is there. Now this can be considered a single letter. So 1 plus 5 total, how many letters? Are 6. So total 6 letters. That means one vowel group plus remaining consonants. One vowel group plus remaining consonants. This can be arranged in how many ways? 6P6 ways. 6P6 means, sorry, 5 plus 1, 6. 6P6. 6P6 is what? Because this AUE is coming everywhere together. So 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 factorial. 6 factorial is what? 6 factorial is 1 into 2 into 6 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. 720. Correct. Now, so but we have to find out the total ways. So total ways is equal to 720 into 6. 720 into 6. What is the answer? 4,320 ways. So this is the vowels coming together. And another case is there what are vowels not coming together. Vowels not coming together means vowels not coming together. Total number of ways is what are 40,320 minus vowels come together case is what are 4,320. So we will get the answer as 40,320 minus 4320, 36,000. This is the answer. Vowels not coming together. In the same way, you try this question, same type of question. Find the number of arrangements of letters of the word Monday. Where total, and find also the number of arrangement of letters of the word. Find the word Monday. Also find number of ways in which first case word start with M, end with Y, start with M, end with Y, start with M and end with Y. y, then m and y occupy end places, then vowels come together, the number of arrangement of letters of the word Monday, also find the number of ways in which words start with M, ends with Y, start with M and end with Y. M and Y occupy end places. Vowels come together. Vowels do not come together. This is same as previous problem. Instead of daughter, this is but here 6 letters are there, so you can find out easily. Compare it with and solve it. That is easy. One more question is there. Find the number of arrangement of letters of the word Mississippi. Mississippi. So Mississippi, how many letters are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 letters are. Total how many letters? 11 letters. But here some letters are alike. So how many S are there? S4, I4, S4, I4, P2. So this can be used. You use the formula n factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial, etc., P3 factorial, etc., Pk factorial. So here, how many ways? Total 11. 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 11 factorial is 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 4 factorial cancel. 4 into 3, 4 to 8, 8 is cancel. Next 3 into 2, 6 is also cancel. So what is remaining? 11 into 11 into 110 into 63 into 5. 63 into 5. 34,650. Okay.